See if we can find him. There he is. Does the snow come in your face when you're going down like that?
Yes. It does. Indeed. Alright, there we go.
Look at him go. There's no lethargy there. It's a man of action. Get a full idea of the scope of this place. Many trees. And then a wrought iron fence at the bottom. Let me zoom in on you, hold on. There, here he comes. He's coming right at me. He lost something. A glove, I guess, or his hat. You okay?